MUO 2.5 Termination Connector from Molex. This connector efficiently replaces closed-end terminals and reduces harness assembly lead time while improving quality. Ideal for the white goods market in applications such as washing machines and refrigerators, in HVAC equipment like water heaters and air conditioners, or anywhere terminations are needed. By replacing the closed-end terminals, the MUO 2.5 Termination Connector eliminates the issue of wire damage and allows for disassembly and rework once assembled. This flexible workflow improves the termination process efficiency and allows stocking of semi-assembled harnesses, minimizing lead time. These connectors also allow for the wire grounding process to be moved to the final assembly step, reducing inventory costs and minimizing stock of various finished cables. The MUO 2.5 connector also provides protection from electrical shock. More information at molex.com.